Okay, you can see right now I'm actually evacuating about this alarm. Do you know what's going on? Go down this way.
Ủa đánh lên luôn.
Yep. Do we go down? You say? I'll go. That's it. We're gonna go down one level.
Sorry. You know what happened?
No, well, the alarm was going off in the garbage room on that level,
A fire?
right on this level. So I think he just cut it off. So I was gonna check the next level to see if there was any other alarms going off. So, but he just, no, I don't know. He just, it was down here.
What's happened?
That's fine.
A fire?
Yeah. I don't know. It was just alarm. I don't know what's going off in this alarm in this room.
This
Right?
alarm?
Yeah. It's down here. It's in this room.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't. It was in this room.
This room?
Yeah. It's this one. Somebody somehow got it cut off somehow. So I don't know, but it was this alarm right here.
I think I'm nothing.
Somebody some more, anything like that?
I think it's okay.
Yeah.
It's possible thunder, no?
That's what I was gonna check. I don't go downstairs or upstairs.
I take my medicine because I have a heart attack. So I need medicine, you know?
Me too. I had my headphones on. I didn't even hear.
Yeah.
You know, so
Crazy.
false alarm, hopefully. Well, good night, my friend.
Good luck too.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Well, okay, so that turned out to be, I guess, a false alarm. I was sitting in here working on videos, and I had actually had my headphones on, and through the music, I heard something, and I turned down my headphones because I thought, what? Because it almost sounded like it actually could be part of the music. And as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but we're right now, I mean, going through a pretty significant storm also, thunderstorm, lightning. Um, so I was just working on my computer, and then I heard this music. I mean, I heard the sound. So I turned down took off my headphones, or my earbuds actually, and then I still heard the noise, and I go, wait a minute, that's an alarm. That's like a fire alarm. So what I did, and which I probably shouldn't have done, is I gathered all my all my valuables and put it into my backpack. And then I thought, well, wait a minute, let me pull out my camera. So I went back in and got my camera, which if this was a real serious threat, maybe I wasted some time, who knows. But yeah, so then I packed up my valuables, put them into my backpack, and then I stepped out into and then I realized, like I said, I got my camera, and so I stepped out into the hallway, and then you pick up at the beginning of the video. But it looks like that was a false alarm, guys. So I'm gonna get back to work. So I got a video to produce. So I will sit here working hard so I get you guys this content. So look forward to the Detroit episode coming soon. Thanks, guys, and it looks like we're all safe. I'll let you know if anything changes or updates, but we're kind of all assuming that I guess everything is okay and it was just a false alarm. Weird how that alarm went off and in the middle of the storm. So my first emergency in a high-rise building. You get to see your neighbors, as you can see in the background. Yeah, we're right now in the middle of a storm, so I didn't know if this was related or not. So once again, we're all good, guys. I'm gonna get back to work. Peace, and like and subscribe. I'm out.